I better hope for my sake that my mom does not see. She does not see, won't hurt her. Whew, yeah. I'm really craving for ice cream today. Let me just have some. Oh no, this is too big. Let me wear my onion glasses. You think you can make my daughter cry for free? Yeah. Okay, Coco, let me pour you some Coke. Little honey, I will do it myself. Just like this. And pour some sugar. Just the way I like it.
Sugar, sugar, sugar. Sugar.
You says, you think you can help me? Yeah? Rubbish.